Okay.
They don't work very well. Here. Yeah, I lift it.
This might be too much.
No, it will be right.
No.
Just see. It's perfect.
I
Alva.
think so.
Get your
It looks.
Spirit level.
spirit level.
Doesn't it look a little down?
Does it? If it is, then we'll.
Just a tad. Just eyeballing it. It looks a little like it's.
I think it's
pitched
straight.
down.
I think it's perfect.
ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ.
This thing, right?
Because where are you going to put it to find out its level? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇಡಬೇಕು. ಇಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲಿ.
This.
It's pretty close to that.
If you hold like that in the hand, it will feel wrong.
Because it's sitting upwards like that.
Yeah, that's high.
So that's. There's not a good spot to put this.
Because this is by moving the hand, we can do like this.
Yeah.
Level, not level.
I think
That's
it's
not
kind
gonna
of
help.
by
That's
the eye it looks level.
because
No, just use this little blade thing here.
It's level, but that is showing you level like
Well, no,
this.
but then this will still. If it was angled here, it would be.
Yeah, it's in level. It's perfect.
because that there's no reason that to believe that that's level. By the way, just saying.
Yeah.
There's no reason to.
Okay, now we need to raise that height and bring it forward. Adu it's anyway not.
Perfectly level. It's not going to be.
It's not.
Alla,
This is
as you are
actually pitched
fitting,
down.
it's anyway going to move.
Yeah, this
This
is.
is pitched this way.
Yeah.
So then ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾ level ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾ maybe we can, right? We can hook this guy up and pitch it up a bit. I don't know where we hook it though.
You know that, but the more we raise it, the more it does this.
Yeah.
I think,
Yeah.
from what I remember.
Oh, you mean if you raise the engine?
It
No,
won't
it's
change.
going up
Change.
straight.
It's going up straight and there the pitch won't
Okay.
change. This won't change.
You know that, yeah, yes.
Okay, Sako, what you can do is can you and bring
This
it
is
in?
still too low.
Hmm?
This is still lower than
If
the.
you bring it closer, it will be a
needle.
better judgment. Because then it will go too high. Then again, you need to move those legs a little. They're not in line. Okay.
You can't like you don't have individual control over them.
Yes.
Yeah, you don't have individual control of the axes. In fact, that's the trick. That's the problem.
ನೀವೇ ಹಿಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಗಾಡಿ ಗಾಡಿ
Wait.
ಇಲ್ಲ ಏನು ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಗಡಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ.
Okay.
Don't get
Can we- Can we bring it a little forward or bring it a little more?
Wait, can you actually, Dad? Can you push this?
What do you want me to do?
Wait. Okay.
Tell me what to do.
You need to bring the trolley a little forward.
Push.
Hold on.
Why is this turbocharger closer this way?
Yeah, it is very close clearance. It will go through.
No, one side is
Hold on. You're pushing the. I think you're pushing the. You're just pushing the needle. thing.
Which needle?
The. It's not. You're not aligning the.
No, I'm not yet aligned.
The shaft. Here, Dad. Can you move it like an inch closer? That's
Right.
possible.
Yeah, okay. Okay, it's a little higher the engine presently. Okay, we can kind of manage. You see, it's just about a few, maybe a half a centimeter.
Is it that everywhere, or is
Yeah.
it all in
No,
like an
everywhere.
angle?
It's a little in an angle. In the sense, this side is a little more in line. This side is a little high. And this engine needs to slightly go this way.
Oh, that we can do, right? I can rotate it.
Yeah.
Rotating is not a problem. It's not that heavy.
Okay. All right. What we need to do is just lower it a bit. Very
How
little.
much is a bit?
Say 5 mm.
I don't think I have that much control.
I'll tell you.
ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಆಯ್ತು ಕೆಳಗೆ ಬಂತು.
No, little more.
ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ
Okay. Alright, let's get that pole.
I can raise it a little bit more gradually than I can lower it.
correct. I think it needs to be closer.
Is that bolt
Oh,
that
yeah.
comes with it?
Yeah.
Actually, this is I think what we did. We actually put those two long bolts in and then drew it in.
This is 10 or 9.
That is 9. That is 2. It's 10. axle needs to come in a bit. Huh?
Closer.
One second. Where is that? Hey, where is that distance, please?
Rebecca?
Ah. Why, what is
17. 17 plus 16
this?
is
16.
I'll get you a 16. Oh wait, the socket set is up here somewhere. No, the half inch.
You think you can move it another inch?
It's right here, next to you.
Okay, I'll 16 is really
Up, down, forward.
No, forward, forward. Let's see if it works.
That's it.
Yeah. Still not gone in though.
Yeah.
Something is still preventing it from engaging there. Why is it not gone in?
Yeah, it goes in. ಅದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ನೀವು ಸ್ಪ್ಲೈನ್ ಅಲೈನ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು ಅದು and ಹೊರಟೋಗುತ್ತೆ once it's in it's very easy ಅದೇ this is what we had to do and we rocked it it's right just
See, it's still pushing against the stuff.
is it ತಡಿತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ other than the spline
ಇಲ್ಲ ಬೇರೆ
I feel like it needs to be raised a bit more or lowered some elevation seems to be off
So feel
You guys added those vertical screws right on that plate.
yeah the bottom
each
one
side is aligned this way. This side, why it looks aligned from here.
I don't know.
It looks aligned from here. See from
No,
here.
no, see, I think the engine on this side needs to be up by like 3 millimeters.
so rotate it like this right you want it to rotate like this
Yeah.
Yeah, a little
It
bit.
needs to go up a bit like
Yeah.
this, but
push this guy
where is our that where did that thing go?
and I feel that this actually all it takes is
Okay,
E level
See. Okay.
Still too far.
Yeah, that's the problem. That's still too far.
and it's this I believe that this here it may not be lined up with the ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾರೋ ತಳ್ಳಿ ಇದನ್ನ
What? Oh, no, the gearbox falling off.
Go.
Nope, 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 nope.
Easier ಹೊರಟೋಗಿತ್ತಲ್ಪ last time it's actually engaged in the spline it's sitting on the spline right now because I can feel that it's rotating about some center thing see what I mean
Yeah, yeah.
so it's engaged so it may well be now maybe we need to rotate the crank
Try it, but it's not doing anything.
Huh? Rotate the kind of the.
it feels like it's leaning against the spline right now ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ತಳ್ಳಿದ್ರೆ ಒಳಗೆ ಹೊರಟೋಗ್ಬೇಕು ಹೊರಟಕ್ಕೆ
It rotated the correct lots, it's not doing anything.
so it's rotating
Crank is rotating.
You gotta raise it.
Oh.
ಮಾಡು ರೈಸ್ ಮಾಡು ರೈಟ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಅದೇ some particular ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ ಒಳಗೆ ನಾವು ಬೋರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಟ್ಟೆ ಎಳೆದಿದ್ವಿಪ್ಪ ಇಷ್ಟು ಕಷ್ಟಪಟ್ಟಿರಲಿಲ್ಲ
But bolts are not reaching.
right so we were able to get it closer somehow
Sure there's nothing in there, right?
like what
I don't know.
Oh, now you're going higher. Why?
What is that?
it's rubbing against this probably
What do you do?
I can hear something.
Yeah, it's touching. I think it's like
it's the
spline.
the spline is touching the outside of the structure.
Pressure plate or
yeah,
something.
Yeah.
ಇಲ್ಲ ಆಗೋಗಲ್ಲ. Watch it, the gearbox with the
I'm pulling it back.
yeah, pulling it back, pull it back. Let's see. Okay.
It sure seems like it should just go in.
Now you see the engine looks higher than the gearbox.
Well, of course, I moved it up.
Where's your
carefully.
flashlight?
It's clearly higher now.
Yeah.
flashlight ಅಮ್ಮ wanted me to help her with that also something. Okay, I'll do
ನೀವು
that.
open.
ಈ ಫ್ಲಾಶ್ಲೈಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಇಲ್ಲಿದೆ ನಿನ್ನೆ ಅವತ್ತಾನೆ ಉಪಯೋಗಿಸಿದ್ನಲ್ಲ.
It looks too high here.
No, now because you raised it.
We raised it a bit, right? So it is high. We know that.
You raised it now. What do you think? That won't go from there. No. It will not go like that.
Where are you going?
Amma, yeah, she wanted some help.
I think now you lower the engine too much. The harness. Bit more, it has to come up. It has to come up. More? Come up more. More. Why the hell? It has to go up a bit more because now it's touching the here. See this?
But it was touching before, right?
No.
Like we
Engine
pulled
is
it
still,
out. We had a
engine
hard
is
time.
still low. Engine is okay. It needs to come up a bit. Small.
So we would stop.